I know I'm not the only one who pulls inspiration for, well, everything Martha Stewart. And today we're mixing up our very own version of one of her cocktails. The flavors in the Breakfast with Martha will surprise and delight you, so let's shake one up. Start with 4 cucumber rounds and muddle it. Add 2 jalapeno rounds and just break them up. Add juice from half a lime, add half an ounce of simple syrup, and add 2 ounces of vodka. Add a generous pinch of salt. Add a bar spoon of horseradish. We're gonna add some ice and give it a good shake until it's chilled. And last, sprinkle with some pepper and garnish with a cucumber and rosemary. Now, if you're thinking horseradish in a cocktail, trust me, I shared your hesitation at first, but this untraditional ingredient gives the Breakfast with Martha a savory depth of flavor that you don't want to miss. Take my word for it, this cocktail is Queen Bee approved.